Omo, this hair it dey enter my eyes like no. Oh my god, it dey enter my eyes. But na me get am sha, so no need to close the eyes. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys through the taking down of my braids. The braids has been 3 weeks now, and it's time for me to take it down because I do not intend to take my hair for a month, so I decided to take it down after 3 weeks. And I always make use of my Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner to help me detangle the hair very easily. So I make sure I moisturize the hair with it. I moisturize all the braids before I start taking it down. And honestly, like, doing all this hair care routine has really helped my hair a lot because I remember I don't do all these things. Like, I basically take down my braids when my hair is totally dried. Like, even all those moisturizing and sealing, these are things that I don't do before. And then it just, I don't know, I just, whenever I look back and think about those times, I'm like, wow, like, these are actually things that a whole lot of people are ignorant about. They don't even take their time to do all those things, and they keep having a whole lot of breakage and keep on complaining, not knowing that there are certain things and particular things that they've not been doing to their hair, or all these little things that we are very ignorant about are actually the reason why the hair breaks. So honestly, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I've been doing this, and it has really been showing a good result in my hair. So yeah, this is me taking it down, and I made sure I detangle the strands carefully so that I don't cause any breakage to the hair. Since I've applied the leave-in Mega Growth leave-in strengthener, it made the hair very soft and easy to detangle. So yeah, this is me all the way, and I lose my hair in a section pattern. I kind of section my hair into 4 parts, and I start losing it because it seems easier that way, so that I don't, mix it up. So I just ensure that I section the hair, and it makes it easier and faster. Yes, but this took me 2 hours to take down this braid. Like, that is how patient I always am whenever I'm taking down my hair, so that I don't have breakage. Because I beg, I cannot come and suffer. I can't come and suffer this hair after all the pampering and everything, and then I will now be doing jaga jaga taking down. Please don't mind me. So make sure that you are patient whenever you are taking down your braid. Be patient and take your time to take it down carefully, detangle it very carefully. And yeah, hope you've given this video a big thumbs up, because beg, please support this baby girl, okay? And if you are yet to subscribe, tap that red subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up. So the next thing is to use my comb to detangle the hair, and as always, whenever you are detangling your hair, ensure that you start from the ends of your hair towards the root of the hair, so that you prevent hair breakage. So that is what I do. I comb the hair from the ends to the root of it, and I also comb the hair in sections. Section has really helped me a lot. Like, doing all these things in section has actually really been nice, like very like easier and faster compared to just combing it all together. This actually helps you, detangle the hair, like every strands of the hair. It helps you detangle it very easily, every part of the hair. And oh my god, look at this. Like, can you see this hair? Oh my god. Like, this hair looks super beautiful, and despite the fact that we are in the healing process of the heat damage, so yeah, the hair is looking really nice. And that was the hair that came out. I mean, it's okay to, we always definitely must. I don't know how many they say is normal, but anyways, yeah, that is it. So it's finally time to wash the hair, and as always, section the hair into 4 parts. And here I'm using this anti-dandruff conditioner and anti-dandruff shampoo Vinox product. I don't know if you've used it, but I use this a lot whenever I use it often, once in a while, to treat dandruff. Whenever I start experiencing, like, oh my god, dandruff, so I use it. And yes, the Venus shampoo is very good. It helps prevent dandruff. It also cleans the hair. It's not harsh on the hair. It's not harsh on the scalp as well. It has this mint that is very, very soothing to the scalp. It also maintains your natural oil. It's not like all those shampoo that strain out or dry out your natural oil. It maintains your natural lipid coating, and it also prevents dry, itchy scalp, and also maintain the hair pH level, while the conditioner also prevents dandruff, and it also prevents broken split ends, and it makes your hair radiant, shining, and very manageable. But the conditioner is not a detangling one, so in case you are looking for a detangling conditioner, this anti-dandruff conditioner is actually not a detangling. It doesn't really detangle the hair like that. So after shampooing and conditioning my hair, I went over to use my deep conditioner, because yes, I've actually started using deep conditioner. So I said I'm going to be doing it often. Anytime I'm going to wash my hair. I wash my hair once every 2 or 3 weeks. So, and this braid, I took it down after 3 weeks. So I'm always going to be using a deep conditioner whenever I'm going to be washing my hair once every 2 or 3 weeks. So I made use of the conditioner and I apply it in section, and this actually helps build up the strength of the hair, and it also restores softness and natural shine. It also prevents breakage, dryness and split end as well. It's very, very good if you have any heat stress, like heat damage or any other styling stresses. It helps prevent all that. So yeah, this is me just applying it all section so that it will penetrate very easily into the hair shaft. So guys, after I was done applying the deep conditioner, I covered my hair with the shower cap and I left it on for 10 minutes, and this was me taking it down after 10 minutes to wash. You can see how the twist has even loosed on its own because the softness, is really amazing. Like, my hair was super soft, and yeah, this is it. And yeah, it feels really soft, very soft. So after that, after taking it down, I had to dry it, hair drying, because I'm staying away from heat for now due to the heat damage I had. So for now, baby girl is sticking to hair drying method. So I made use of my leave-in mega growth leave-in strengthener, and also I use my oil to seal the hair. And yeah, this is what the hair looks like after hair drying. This looks so beautiful and amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.